Students, so let's start discussing our third chapter of maths, how many squares. Till now, in our earlier 3 videos, we discussed about perimeter, right? The formula of perimeter, how to find out perimeter, and exactly what do we mean by perimeter. As you all know that this chapter is basically depending on two concepts, that is perimeter and area. In our earlier videos, we have already discussed perimeter. Now in this video, let's start talking about area. All right. So today we are going to talk about area. Today we are going to talk about area. All right. Okay. So let's begin. Before we start, I'll just draw figures for you so that you understand what is the basic difference between perimeter and area. So let's say this is our square and this is our rectangle. All right. Let me keep it a little bit. Okay. Now, as you can see this red border, this is your perimeter. Okay. This is the perimeter of square and this is this boundary line, again red color boundary line of rectangle, that is the perimeter of rectangle. But let's say if I want to grow some grass, okay, for example, if I want to do some gardening in this area, right? As you know, I have just noticed I have used this word area. So I want to, grow some grass on it. So which part of the circle I'll be using? Naturally, I'll be using this inner side part. Okay, so this highlighted part with yellow color, this is our area. All right. So basically, what is area? Area is inside region of this boundary. Okay, and this boundary is perimeter. Similarly, if I want to say area of rectangle, this inside region which is bounded by this boundary, all right, this is your area. So this yellow colored portion is your area and this red boundary, it is your perimeter. All right, hope this much is clear. So this is the basic difference between area and perimeter. Now, let's talk about the unit of measurement. All right. See, we know, first of all, let me write down, area is basically surface inside the boundary, and perimeter, when we say it is actually, we deal with boundary. All right. So this is how it is. Now, let's start talking about the unit of measurement. When I say unit of measurement, हर एक चीज के बाद हम लिखते हैं 1 सेंटीमीटर 1 मीटर, राइट? तो ये जो मीटर और सेंटीमीटर है वो आपके हैं यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट. ऑलराइट, सो व्हेन वी डील विथ पेरीमीटर वी यूज unit of measurement we use is either meter or centimeter, right? So let's just write it down. Unit of measurement for this is either centimeter or meter. All right, but in case of area, the unit of measurement is square centimeter or square meter. Now let's see why. See, आपको कुछ भी लर्न नहीं करना है, आपको समझना है. एक बार आप समझ जाओगे कि क्यों ऐसा, क्यों स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर या क्यों सिर्फ सेंटीमीटर या मीटर, तो आपको इजीली लर्न हो जाएगा. मीन्स यू डोंट इवन हैव टू लर्न इट. सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट दिस कि क्यों स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर हम यूज करते हैं, लेट्स फर्स्ट गिव यू सम एग्जाम्पल. लाइक मुझे अगर 4 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर का एरिया ड्रॉ करना है और ये जो मेरा एरिया है ये है मेरा 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, This is my 1 square centimeter. Let's say I'll just draw it here. ये जो एक मेरा छोटा सा बॉक्स है, this small box, this is my 1 square centimeter. Now I want to draw such area of 4 square centimeter, right? So ये मेरा है 1 square centimeter, means this length is also 1 and this side is also 1. So this is my 1 square centimeter. Now if I want to draw, what I'll do is, just a minute. Okay, I'll draw one more here. So I'll just put it here, take it here. So this is one. Let's take another one. Let's put it here. Let's take another one and put it here. So this becomes your 4 square centimeter. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is my actually bounded region, area of 4 square centimeter. तो हमने क्या किया एरिया फाइंड आउट करने के लिए? एरिया फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमने स्क्वायर टाइल्स यूज की. क्या यूज किया हमने? स्क्वायर टाइल्स. ऑलराइट. So to find out area, it becomes very easy to use square tiles, and that's why जितनी square tile हम use करेंगे उतना उस particular region का area होगा. यहाँ पे मुझे 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 square tiles, and that's why, or 4 square boxes, and that's why the area of this region, ये जो ये पूरा ये inside area है, this whole, that is 4 square centimeter. All right. Let's see another example. Let's look at it with a different way. This is my 1 centimeter. This is my 2 centimeter. So basically this is one more. Let's 1 more centimeter. And this is 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Alright? मतलब ये हुआ 2 centimeter और ये भी हुआ 2 centimeter. So length and breadth जो उसका same ही होता है square का 2 multiply by 2. Okay? So जब हम area की बात करते हैं तो इसका एरिया हो गया 4 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. अगर हम इसको दूसरी तरह से देखें तो 2 सेंटीमीटर एंड 2 सेंटीमीटर मीन्स 2 2s are 4. तो बेसिकली हम कर क्या रहे हैं? हम कर रहे हैं एरिया इज इक्वल टू साइड इंटू साइड, राइट? साइड इंटू साइड. तो इसकी टोटल साइड एक कितनी है? इसकी टोटल साइड है, लेट्स टेक इट हियर. ओके, साइड है इसकी 2 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो 2 सेंटीमीटर, एंड दैट्स वाई माई साइड इज 4 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर, राइट? आप लोगों को ऐसा लगता होगा कि स्क्वायर रख के ही तो फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, तो फिर हमें इसकी क्या जरूरत है? सी किड्स, it's not that we only deal with small numbers. In maths, we will be dealing with bigger numbers. In that case, it would be really very difficult for us to put square to find out area, okay? And that's why we need to have formula of area, that is S into S, okay? किस तरह से आई आपको पता चल गया? All right. Now, we will see the same thing for rectangle. All right, let's see. First, let me draw rectangle. See, in rectangle, what do? We have such length, okay, and this is your breadth, okay? This is just your breadth. All right. So जिस तरह से हमने स्क्वायर में मल्टीप्लाई किया दोनों साइड का, जिसमें हमने s और s लिखा क्योंकि स्क्वायर में all sides are same, but here in case of rectangle we cannot write same letters. So what do we do is area of rectangle is nothing but multiplication of L into B. Simple, right? So अभी तक हमने क्या देखा? हमने देखा डिफरेंस क्या है एरिया और पेरीमीटर में. सबसे पहले हमने देखा एरिया क्या है, राइट? फिर हमने देखा डिफरेंस क्या है एरिया और पेरीमीटर में. फिर हमने देखा कि एरिया में हम स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर या स्क्वायर मीटर क्यों यूज करते हैं, क्योंकि एरिया फाइंड आउट करने के लिए जनरली हम स्क्वायर्स यूज करते हैं. बट it's not easy for bigger number to use so many squares. So to make our life easy, we use formula. Now the formula to find out area of square, let me just write it down here. Area of square. The formula to find out area of square is S into S. क्यों हम same letters use करेंगे? Naturally, because all sides of squares are same. Alright? The same thing. Okay? The same thing for rectangle if we take. So again, in rectangle, length and breadth are different. So naturally, we will be using L into B. So let's say if I want to find out area of this. Now, let me put it in this way. मैं अगर इसको बीच में स्क्वायर ड्रॉ करती हूँ तो इसमें मुझे लेट्स से 3 स्क्वायर लगते हैं. मैं इसमें बीच में 3 स्क्वायर रख दूंगी. 1 minute. Okay. One more square and one more square. Okay, let's just fit it. All right. Okay, now as you can see, these are 3 square inside the one rectangle. So I can say that this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, means total 3 centimeter. Because we know that one small square is equal to 1. Okay. Similarly, this breadth is also 1. So if I say here, if I just write down here, equal to length is nothing but 3 and breadth is 1. So I can easily say that area of this rectangle is 3 square centimeter. Alright. So इस तरह से हम area of rectangle और area of square find out कर सकते हैं. Alright. So in the next video, we will discuss about the textbook sums based on this whole concept. I would suggest to watch this video at least twice. Alright, so that you can get the whole concept clear about area and perimeter and the formula of area of square and area of rectangle. So in the next video, we'll see with our new topic. Till then, goodbye.